Hello, people. This is my second video of the day, and I saw this movie Sher Shah. I mean, Sher Shah, I thought the title was a bit grandeur, but when you watch the film, you understand why the film was named Sher Shah. Now, Sher Shah, this film that is on Amazon Prime, is based on the life of Captain Vikram Badra, this gentleman who single-handedly, it was thanks to him that an enemy bunker was was captured in the peaks of on the mountains of Kargil, and the gentleman lost his life in the effort. So it's honestly it's almost a very emotional film because I was fortunate to have met Captain Vikram Badra's twin brother Vishal Badra, and the film is all about Vishal Badra, his twin brother, you know, recounting, telling us about the life of Captain Vikram Badra, like through a TED talk. And my sister was giving a TED talk in the same venue, so I was fortunate to be there during to listen to to listen to the life story of Captain Vikram Badra being told by his cousin, twin, by his twin Vishal Badra. So, no, so this film you have to watch it for the whole, for Kiara Advani and Siddharth Malhotra, because it is, they bring to life the story of this gentleman who gave up his world for the greater good. I mean, he was a young strapping officer who had his whole life ahead of him, but like his it was his winning anthem. It was he said dil mange more. So that's how he decided to go ahead and capture more of just get back from the enemy lines, the bunkers that were taken over. This film will it will kind of bring bring to life all that which happened during the first ever televised war of all time, the Kargil war. So do try and catch it, people. This movie is called Sher Shah, and you can find it on Amazon Prime. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.